Hello everyone, on today's video we will be talking about 3 must-have WooCommerce plugins for eyewear websites in 2022. When it comes to building, maintaining, and optimizing your online eyewear store, WooCommerce is one of the most popular platforms out there. With a 23.43% market share, it rules the e-commerce world. What makes WooCommerce better than other platforms is that it's more efficient, affordable, and scalable. On top of that, it doesn't require you to be highly tech-savvy to learn this platform. That being said, we are here to unveil the top 3 WooCommerce plugins that you could use to boost your eyewear sales. 1. WooCommerce Contact Lenses Plugin. The WooCommerce Contact Lenses plugin is a great solution for those e-stores that want to sell contact lenses and similar products. The extension lets customers buy their prescription products based on the power, cylinder, axis, curve, and diameter of both eyes. When to use this plugin? If you want to display pre-configured options for the eyewear product, allow lens purchase for both or single eye, preview ordered prescription details. 2. WooCommerce Eyeglasses Prescription Plugin. If you wish to build your eyeglasses and lenses selling website without any hassle, then all you need is the Eyeglasses Prescription Plugin WordPress. It has all the important features that an admin needs to control things from the backend. For instance, the plugin features popular prescriptions, select lenses, and add-ons. When to use this plugin? If you want to display pre-configured options for the fields of their eyewear products, allow customers to specify their unique needs related to the lens. 3. WooCommerce PD Pupillary Distance Measurement Plugin. Want to allow your customers to add their PD measurement to their orders? Then the WooCommerce PD Measurement plugin is your answer. It's one of the fastest and the most accurate pupillary distance measurement tools out there. With this plugin, determining your customer's PD is as easy as taking your picture. Before adding the product to the cart, the plugin wants them to enter their PD measurement on the product page. In case they don't have it, you can allow them to click a link to measure their PD. When to use this plugin? If you want to obtain or determine the PD of a shopper. So, these were our top 3 WooCommerce plugins that eyewear stores can use. Hopefully, you are ready to boost your sales with these WooCommerce plugins now. In case you need any kind of help regarding these plugins, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks, and have a great time out there.